So a couple of my go-to fun party games would be the Chameleon, which is a social deduction-like game where someone is the chameleon that's trying to blend in with everyone else. Another one is called the Resistance, which is kind of similar to Werewolf slash Mafia, where you have a good team and a bad team, and the bad team's trying to sabotage the good team by putting in secret fail cards. Another quick one is Coup, which is a bluffing game, 1 to 6 players. So very easy to play. It's like 5 minutes. You basically have two hidden identities, and you're trying to survive until the end while claiming you have certain identities and you might not, and people can call BS on you. Another one is Taboo, which is an oldie but a goodie in my book, where you're drawing cards and giving hints on it, and people have to guess what the card is, but you're limited on not saying certain words while you're giving the clues. And one that is not really well known to people, but still a dear favorite to me, is called Last Word, which is a word game where you flip over a letter and then a category, and you're trying to get the last word by saying the word for that criteria. So for example, if there's a G and then it says 4-letter word, you can say goat. And then someone else will have to come up with a 4-letter word. And there's a random timer. If the timer goes to 0 and you have the last word, you get a point.